Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is my Christmas present from Tina from Shemodern. Thank you so much. Thank you just doesn't seem enough at all. Thank you so much. You made my Christmas that extra bit special. Thank you so much. So I'm going to open it on camera today, so we shall have a look. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the label. And this is the website, and then this is the thank you sticker. I love the stickers, they're so pretty. So let's have a look. Oh, really nervous. Oh, look at this. I love this. Really, wow, there's loads here. Wow, there's loads of stuff in here. Right, I'm just going to move it just to one side and bring the camera down a little bit. So I could pick what I wanted. So yeah, thank you so much again. I'm blown away. So the first thing I picked was the stamper. So this is as you can see, Shemodern's stamper. So this stamper is reinforced. So what that means is that underneath the stamper head there is this plastic plate. So that means that the stamper head doesn't sink in to the bottom part of the stamper, because I mean if you do stamping, then you will know exactly what I'm talking about. When you place it on your finger, the stamper head can go into the bottom, so that is why they put the plastic plate in there, which is a great idea. And I love how big it is, and it really magnetizes everything, which is really good for your placement. And you have the Shemodern website on there. Lovely, thank you so much. Wow, I love that. So let's have a look what these are. So she does these stencils and a scraper. So she used to do, hang on, I do have some here. She used to do reusable stencils like this. I do still really love these. So these are just in case you haven't seen them before, which some of you may have done, some of you may not have done. So these are the original ones. If I can get it off the backing, be good. So with these ones, they are reusable, but obviously, I mean, you do have to be careful when you use them, but I mean, I will still use these, so you can just place them on and sort of do whatever you want to do with them. So they were brilliant. But as I was saying, these are the new style that she has brought out. So these are plastic, so you can use these as a scraper when you do your stamping, and you can also use it as a stencil. So you can use this edge, the straight edge, this edge, these patterns in here. You can just like put it on the stamper. You can like paint the stamper with stamping polish and do this and do that with them, so you can make your stencils like that. I will do a demo on these. So this is stencil number 5. So let me just pop that in there, so when I take the pictures at the end, I know which is which. And also stencil number 8, which is a star one. Turn it over so you can see. So they are different. So that's really good. And I like that you get the cutout as well. So you could get some really sharp points if you want to with the middle bit. So that is stencil number 8. So we have 5, 8, and number 3. So this one, obviously, you can use as a palette as well. You can use these back sides of these as palettes if you want to. But you also have the 2 edges and you have the straight edge as well. So that is stencil number 3. Wow, thank you so much. So let's let's just start getting stuff out. So I have sparkling silver metal glitter. Wow, that is really nice. I hope the camera is picking up the colours in that. Hopefully you can see like the hollow different colours in there. Beautiful. And we have silver chrome metallic pearl. Wow, that's really nice. Look how fine that is. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Then we have that one as well. I suppose we should get into these. Now these are not going to be in order. Yeah, I'm not going to do it off camera because I want you to see my reaction. So this is a opaque white watercolor polish. So that is the watercolor ones, because all the original ones like come in bottles like this. I did recently do a video with the older watercolor paints, so I will link that just in case you haven't seen it. So this is the opaque white. We also have the jelly green watercolor polish as well. I like that they've got the stickers on the top. I like that. And we also have a pearl green sticky stamping polish. That is really pretty. So let's try and let's see if we can organize these as we're doing it. We also have jelly pink watercolor polish. That's a really pretty pink. And we also have opaque black watercolor polish. That is the black one. We also have lemon pearl stamping polish. That's the sticky stamping polish as well. Wow, look at that. Don't know if the camera is gonna, can you see the pearl in there? Wow. Oh, there's so many here. We also have the opaque orange watercolor polish. Look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. I can't believe how many are here. Oh, there's so many. So we have the opaque white sticky stamping polish as well. I do love these labels. We also have the pearl lime. So that is another pearly one, as you can see. Wow, there's so many here. Oh, Tina. We also have the blue pearl. Wow, I will take pictures of all of these at the end. We also have the sheer grey, as you can see. Oh, wow, I can't believe this. I'm blown away. We also have the pearl rose. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I don't know what to say. I'm trying not to cry. So we have the pearl yellow, which is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to start using these. So we also have the pearl purple. Oh wow, that is absolutely stunning. There's so many. Oh, we also have the pearl pink. Trying to show you the pearly side to it. Oh, wow. We also have the pearl white. As you can see. Oh, there's so many here. We also have the peacock blue. Don't know if the camera's going to pick up like this shift in there. Wow, there's so many. And we also have the silver metallic watercolor polish. Let me just show this up. That's where they've been sitting in transit. Wow, Oh, I don't know what to say. So we also have the metallic silver sticky as well. Oh wow, I'm we also have the pearl white watercolor polish. Wow, look how pearly that is. It's absolutely stunning. We also have the clear sealer water-based polish. So this is that you would use to seal in. As I said, I will do like a review on these because I want to test them out myself anyway. So I will share it with you when I do it. So this one needs shaking up. So we also have the gold metallic watercolor polish. Wow, look at that gold. Oh, it's stunning. Wow, I can't believe how many are here. Tina, thank you so much. We also have the neon jelly blue watercolor polish. Wow, that's the jelly. We also have the sheer black stamping polish that's sticky as well. So sticky means that, well, it's sticky stamping polish. We also have pearl coral sticky stamping polish. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. I'm running out of room. I want to we also have opaque black sticky stamping polish as well. Wow, I'm literally blown away. And we have the pearl fuchsia. It's the stamping polish sticky as well. Hopefully you can see the pearl. Like the pearl side of it, hopefully. Wow, Tina, I really don't know what to say. We also have neon jelly lime, which is the watercolor polish as well. Absolutely stunning. Wow. We also have the sheer white stamping polish sticky. I cannot believe how many's here. I really can't. We also have the pearl orange sticky stamping polish as well. Absolutely stunning. I love the pearl effect of them. Absolutely stunning. So there's two more to go, and this is neon jelly red water polish. Wow, look at that. It's more of a pinky red. But that's probably because it's a watercolor. And then the last one is a neon jelly lemon watercolor polish. Wow, absolutely. I am literally blown away how many are here. I can't believe it. I can't even fit them all in frame. Shall we have a look at one of the jelly polishes? Let's have a look at this. The neon yellow one. Neon yellow one. I can't even talk. So let's just give it a shake up and let's just have a look. So they look like small bottles. They're 5ml bottles, but you only need such a small amount. I will link Tina's channel. It's in all of my videos anyway. If you scroll down in the description box, I have like a list of my discount codes and the products that are my favorite products, and all the websites and everything are all there as well. And her YouTube channel is linked in there. So this is the consistency of it, as you can see, because it's a watercolor. Yeah, it's as it says. You can thin it out and that. Really nice, really nice consistency. That really is. Shall we have a quick look at the let's have a look at this one, which is the sticky stamping polish. This is the Pearl Fuchsia. So that is what it looks like. It looks absolutely stunning. So let's just have a quick look. Wow. Look at that. And the consistency is really, really good. And I can tell that it is really, really opaque, because I've used lots and lots of stamping polishes in the past. Just a normal stamping polish smell. I will need to clean the neck of that bottle. Give me 1 second. Wow, I literally have no words to express how thankful I am. I really have. I have no words at all. Thank you so much, Jenna, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I was so touched. I really didn't know what to say, and I still don't know what to say. But I will do a review on all of these and test them out. And yeah, I just thank you so much. I just don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Okay guys, I will leave you here now. I will take some pictures and post them at the end. And yeah, I will have a play with these, and well, we will have a play with them, and we'll have a look and see what they're like, and yeah, we'll just have a play with them. Okay, thank you everybody so much for watching today, and thank you once again, Tina. I really appreciate this. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will have a play with them very soon, and yeah, I will let you know my thoughts. I'm sure I'm going to love them, the same as all the other products that I have loved of yours over the years. Absolutely, I love it, love them. Okay everybody, that's enough of my ramblings, because I'm really unsure what to say. But yeah, just thank you. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, and hopefully you're as excited as I am to give these all a try. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care. I will post some pictures at the end. Okay, thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.